Above true value of Aiken are the newly completed lofts on Laurens, right in the middle of downtown Aiken and ready with the amenities you need. Originally constructed in 1888, the historic building has already received the Historic Aiken Preservation Award, and the 4 state-of-the-art units make the location right at home in the 21st century. Each loft is approximately 1,500 square feet, with 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths per unit. Original brick has been exposed to reflect a New York-style loft. The units include all appliances, washer and dryer, and 2 parking spaces directly behind the building in a gated private lot. Full Energy-Wise compliance means low utility bills for each loft. A commercial elevator provides easy access to the 2nd floor, and open balconies overlook downtown Aiken's Laurens Street. Units are available furnished or unfurnished. The location is convenient to shopping and retail, including Aiken's South Side, and the centralized location in the county means short rides to Augusta, Georgia, the Savannah River Site, and Aiken County Industrial Parks. Contact us today for information and availability.